Today, we're looking at Parrot Dao, and I will tell you how much you could earn by staking on this Dao, a pretty big APY with more than 64 zeros, the highest APY ever. Hi, I'm Crypto AV, I'm a crypto investor, and at the end of this video, I will tell you whether Parrot Dao is a good investment or not. First, I will tell you what Parrot Dao is. We can find all these information in the documentation. Parrot Dao is a decentralized reserve currency protocol on the Avalanche network based on the PARR token. Parrot Dao develops infrastructure incentives that fulfill its objectives, with the PARR token as the leading DeFi lending provider and funding the GameFi ecosystem on treasury investments. As a matter of course, Parrot Dao will back and help build the future of DeFi lending and DeFi gaming. Each PARR token is backed by a basket of assets in the Parrot Dao treasury, giving it an intrinsic value that it cannot fall below. Parrot Dao also introduces economic and game theoretic dynamics into the market through staking and bonding. The utility of Parrot Dao. Our goal is to build a policy-controlled currency system, native on the AVAX and KCC network. The PARR ecosystem and monetary policy are managed by Parrot Dao. This way, we guarantee transparent decision-making and long-term stability. In the long run, we believe this system can be used to optimize for stability and consistency, so that PARR can function as a global unit of account and medium of exchange currency, both in real life and in the metaverse. In the short term, we intend to optimize the system for growth and wealth creation. The point is to create a new monetary system backed by metaverse and gaming infrastructure, and to build an economy around it while also becoming a majority lending protocol on multi-chain EVM. Now back on the website. You can go to PARR, and that's where you can buy the token on Trader Joe, or add the tokens to your wallet. Let's look at the dashboard. The price of PARR is high, at $155. This is the market cap of the token PARR. It's extremely high, and considering this Dao just launched, this is even more impressive. The massive APY must have been the best marketing for them. The total value locked is big too, $26 million. The treasury balance, the backing per PARR and the runway are unknown. I would be cautious about this. Now we will look at how much you can make on this Dao. 622% in 5 days. That's the highest ROI by staking ever. This video is not financial advice, but if you want to invest on Parrot Dao, all you have to do is buy PARR tokens and stake them here. By doing this, you will have the highest ROI in 5 days that I've ever seen and the highest APY ever. But please do your own research before investing. This project could be a scam, and please only invest money you can lose. If you're interested, you can also mint. Minting is the same as bonding, but the ROI is less interesting on here. But it's still very high. 96% on MIM, this is insane. So, if you want to get started on this, just click mint. Input how many you want to buy and click approve, then it's done. And here you can claim your rewards. The community of Parrot Dao is also growing fast. If you want to invest in this and learn more about them, follow them to have the latest news on the protocol. Make sure to follow me on Twitter at Colin0x. You will be updated of the new crypto gems before anyone else. Like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. This would help with the YouTube algorithm, and you will be updated daily on the new DAOs that are coming out. Thank you for watching and stay safe out there.